Today we are going to tour 3201 North 127th Drive in Avondale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home located in the desirable Corte Sierra community in Avondale. As you enter the home, you're greeted by a large living and dining area, highlighted by soaring vaulted ceilings that create a bright and airy atmosphere. The layout flows into an open-concept kitchen and family room, designed for both functionality and connection. The kitchen features a center island, abundant cabinetry, generous counter space, and a casual dining area that's perfect for everyday meals. Outside, the large backyard offers plenty of space to relax, play, or entertain. A covered patio creates a shaded area that's perfect for outdoor dining or enjoying Arizona evenings, all while taking in the open Greenbelt behind the property. This spacious floor plan includes 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, providing plenty of room for comfortable everyday living. A downstairs bedroom and bathroom offer excellent flexibility. This space works well for guests, a home office, or whatever fits your needs. Brand new kitchen appliances, along with new carpet and tile flooring throughout the home, provide a clean and updated feel that makes the space move-in ready. Additional interior features include neutral 2-tone paint and ceiling fans placed throughout the home to enhance comfort. With its generous layout, modern updates, flexible living spaces, and desirable location, this home offers a great combination of comfort, space, and everyday convenience. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, along with a spacious primary suite designed as a comfortable retreat. The primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet and a private ensuite bathroom, featuring dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. Schedule your showing today and experience everything this Avondale home has to offer.